Vibe coding is everywhere, bro. This I think is really wilding right now, and I mean it's already wild for a long time. Anyone who want to create an app, they don't need any prior knowledge of programming. They don't need to know about how to code. All they need to do is only to utilize an AI, especially an AI agent with a model that have specific skill in coding like Cloud or even GPT and etc. I even read someone just published their app in the App Store and it is accepted. Well, he doesn't even know a single thing happened. He doesn't even know how it works. He doesn't even know the code. So that's kind of wild while someone selling a product that they don't even know. So maybe it sounds a little bit good, maybe because anyone can create their apps without knowledge of programming, but is it really good? Heck no, bro, it is not good. I will say it is a freaking ticking bomb. Why? Let me break it down for you. So an AI code assistant, it's simple to use, bro. You just ask a cloud or any AI agent, any AI model to create an app for you. You just specify what an app you want to create. For example, you want to create a website. I want to create a website that have 3 tabs: home, about, and contacts, and it consists of my profile. Just enter it and let the cloud do it, let the AI agent do it, and it finished under 5 minutes, bro. And when it's done, it works perfectly. It runs, and you want to show it to other people, then you proud of it. I don't know why were you even proud of something that you don't even create. And the thing get a little more serious when you actually sell it, or you step in a bigger context like business and etc. So you want to add new feature, you ask the AI agent, you ask the AI code assistant, you ask the AI, create me new features for A, create me new features for B, and create me new features for C, and so on and so on. But is there any ends of it? I will say yes. There is these traits of AI code assistants that maybe some of y'all who use it know. They tends to overcomplicate things, so that sometimes overdo, and if you use it recklessly or not in a good practice, sometimes the AI agent, sometimes the LLM cannot solve by themselves. Sometimes they can't create the feature that you want. So in this case, in a common sense, human will intervene, right? So okay, let me quote right now. Cloud or etc. Just step back and let me do the rest. But the problem is, you don't even know how to code. You don't even know what the hell is this spaghetti written and with a little bit of colors in it, bro. So yeah, that's the problem comes. Maybe you create new apps faster at first, okay. Well, when the shit happens, there is a cost. The cost of fixing it. It's like you reading a legacy code from someone who wrote it like 10 years ago. So that's how it feels when you messing around with a vibe coding. So sometimes this vibe coding cleanup takes longer than actually creating a better maintainable and reliable code from first. So why I'm creating these videos, I want to tell you my 3 solutions about this kind of problems. Well, there's a lot of title about vibe coding cleanup already on LinkedIn and so. But yeah, I have 3, but I have 3 solutions. Okay, let me break it down for you. First and the foremost, make boundaries in your instruction. So what I've said before, that AI, a model that specializes in coding, sometimes they tends to overdo. They tends to overcomplicate things. They think out of the box, which is good, but sometimes we don't even need it. So it's like an intern who still have firing ambitions. They tends to overthink and have a vision that is too long from the context. And yeah, we need to set a boundaries. We need to set a scope in which the AI agent should execute. So we need to carefully maintain or see the boundaries we set, and does this AI pass through our boundaries or not? Then we need to always monitor it. The second one, ask for a specific task, a little task, not like, bro, just create me a e-commerce that can handle thousands of requests. Bro, that is not gonna work. So you need to utilize, if you want to utilize it better, utilize it in a mini task, a simple task, and then again you iterate to make sure you understand what this AI wrote, and then you iterate if it's not really good, and then you ask again, you iterate again, and so yeah. The third one, you can actually discuss first with an AI. So I myself, if I don't know how to instruct the AI, because maybe I don't know either how to correctly or practically good to do it, so sometimes I ask the AI first, what do you think about to implement this thing, how to make it better, how to implement in best practice, and etc. And then you brainstorm it with the AI. When you agree, and then ask the AI to do exactly like what we have discussed before. So it's actually related to the first point, but the second point is the tips if you don't know how to instruct the AI agent itself. So I've had three solutions, but this is actually the most important suggestions for me of using AI for using AI for coding or vibe coding. For you who's still learning programming, who still who are a junior programmer, I strongly suggest that don't use this AI code assistant. Maybe for code completions, it's okay, but for learning, nah, bro. There is these things in learning that you need to take, that you need to experience, which is the experience to write the actual code. You need to be confused by your own code, and then you think it a lot, and then you poof, the solutions. For me, you need to pass through that period, pass through that phase in your learning, because it actually makes you better as a programmer, because it's built your thinking about programming, and it's for me it's really important. And vibe coding and AI, this kind of stuff, it's something like dopamine, bro. You want to create app fast and instant, and poof, it's already finished by an AI agent, and it's bad, bro. You need to progress to become a better programmer. So why I said this, because so you are not replaced by this AI, because you actually know how to code, because you are actually have a great way of thinking as a programmer. So yeah, maybe that is all of my suggestion about this vibe coding shit, because yeah, it's kind of wild right now, because there is a lot of things, there's a lot of model can handles complex and incredible stuff. I myself I admit that my productivity just spiked for, like, I can say 10 times more productive after I'm using AI code assistant or vibe coding. Yeah, but productivity is not equal quality, so make it wisely. I don't encourage you to not using it at all. It is really good. It's really good boost for productivity, but treat it as your assistant, as your worker to work what you just said. So you need to instruct it clearly. You make sure this worker, this AI, do its job correctly, not like random things you do and it messes up your code and something else. So yeah, this video is just talk about how you utilize an AI for coding much wisely. And AI is just like double-edged sword, so we can utilize it better, but with wise, with careful, with better approach. I think that's my whole point on this video. That's all from me, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys very soon.